This
Some contents are
conference will
present
now
here.
be recorded.
Okay, so cat test.sh if you are giving, it is displaying with some content which are present here. Now in this file, we want to know how many words are there, how many lines are there, how many characters are there. For that, wc is one command, word count. Wc, then file name. File name can be having any extension name, no problem. So first one is line count. 8 lines are there in this file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines, 15 words, and 65 characters. The last one is the file name. So wc is one command. It will display the line count, word count, and character count of the file. And finally, in last column, it will display the file name also. Now, different parameters are available for this wc command. One is -l. It will display line count. One is word count, w, and -c if you will give, then only character count it will take. Character count. We can write combinedly also. LC, line and character count. CW, character count, and W, word count. So sequence will be like this only, line, word, character. So here L we have not given, CW we have given, means word and character. So word will come first, then character will come second. So always line, word, character only. If line is not there, then word, character. If character is not there, then line and word. If word is not there, then line and character. Like that, line first, if not there, word, if not there, character. In that way only it will come. This sequence will not change. Line, word, character only. Okay, so if all we are giving C, W, L also, then all these three it will display. Okay, if you are not giving any parameter also, all these three it is displaying. So all three we want to display, don't give anything. Without giving parameters also, all these three it is displaying, line, word, and character count. Okay, so this is about WC command. Now head is one command. It will display the header of the files. Head, one file name, same file name only we can take, test.sh. So how many lines from starting we want to display, that we have to give here. -1, then first one line it will display from that file. -2, then first two lines it will display. -3, first three line it will display. That is head command. If we are not giving these parameters, then first 10 lines it will display from the starting. By default it's 10. So here how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in this file 8 lines are there, then obviously 8 only it will display. 10 lines are not present. If 12 lines, 20 lines are there, then by default first 10 lines it will display. Similarly, tell is one command. By default it will display last 10 lines. Same file only we can use. Last 10 lines. So here 8 lines contain this file. So obviously 8 lines only it will come. Because 10 lines is not present, so how it will take 10 lines? Now in tell also same thing. If you are giving -1, last one line. If you are giving -2, last two lines. If you are giving -3, last three lines, like that it will take. If you are giving -15, then last 15 lines. But 15 lines are not present in this file, only 8 lines are present. So obviously 8 lines only it will display. Okay, now we can use one big file, ls. Okay, on that day we created one big file. What is that name we have given? tt.txt. Okay, so this is one big file. 750 lines are present in this file. Okay, now we can use head -15 tt.txt. First 15 lines it is displaying. And in this file, line number wise it is containing 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That's why that line number also it is coming. Similarly, tell if you will give here last 15 lines, it will display 745 to 759. Okay. Now another is tell plus symbol plus suppose 700 or 745. So what it will display from this line number to last line it will display. Okay, plus if you are giving not working fine, then minus n is one parameter need to add here. So 745 line number starting till end of this file. Last is 759. So which will mention here, it will start printing from that line and it will go up to last line number that it will display in this tab. Okay, another use of tell is tell minus f. If you are working in any project, then some log files will be generated. If you are going to check the log file and something is going on, execution is going on, and that log file is continuously increasing, in that case, you can give tell minus f that log file name. So this is purely for incremental log file. So continuously which is generating with the new history, new value in that log file, those last portion it will display. So here no log file, nothing, it will not work. In Office only you can check this tell minus f a.log. Okay, so this is about head and tail. Okay, so head and tail is clear. Manadip, you are clear?
Sir, the tail concept, can you repeat it, sir?
Opposite of head only. Head, you are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so what head will do? By default, first 10 lines it will display. If you are not mentioned anything, suppose head, file name, first 10 lines. If 10 lines is not present, then how many lines are there that it will display. If specific some lines we want, then we can give minus 12 file name. So it will display first 12 lines. Similarly, opposite is 10. Here last 10 lines it will come by default. Command is tell file name. If last 12 lines we want to display, then tell minus 12. If 12 lines are not present in that file, 8 lines are present, then obviously 8 lines only it will display. By default is 10 for both. For head also 10 and for tail also 10. Tail is for last 10 lines, head is for first 10 lines. So whenever head we are giving, then it will display from starting. Whenever tail we are giving, it will display from ending. Now minus minus completed. Tail minus option. So here how we are giving head minus 12, tail minus 12. Now plus option is not available in head. Plus option is available in tail only. Tail minus n plus 15, that file name. So what it will do? It will start printing from 15th lines. What is mentioned? Plus 15 means from 15th lines it will start displaying to last line. So first 14 line it will not display. 1 to 14 it will not display. It will start displaying from 15th. And till which line it will go? Till last. If 1 crore lines are there, then 15th line to 1 crore line number it will display. That is tell.
Understood, sir.
And another is tell minus f. That is basically for log file. So here we don't have any log file. It will not work. But in your real-time project, if you are working somewhere, then any log file is there, any extension, anything .log or anything, you can check that. So this is one log file which is generating continuously. Now also it is going increasing. Something is executing and this log file is generating increasingly. In that case, tel minus f you can give, so that the last portion of that file we will able to see 10 lines or 20 lines or 30 lines. It will be visible. Again, it will keep updating. Again, new lines will come, latest line. Those we will able to see. So in live log, we can see this tel minus f. Okay, so this is about head and tail command. So for which purpose it is displaying and what exactly? Splitting file horizontally. Okay, horizontally means line by line, 2 lines, 5 lines, 10 lines, starting, ending. In those purpose, we can tell it as a horizontal, not vertical. Vertical means column wise, field wise. That is called as vertical. For that, another command is there, cut, awk we can use. For splitting horizontally, head and tail command. Next one is copy. Okay, copy, move and rename at a time we can cover. For copy command cp, move command mv, rename command also mv. So mv command is used for dual purpose, rename as well as move. cp command is used for copy. Okay, so first we will do cp command copy, then we can go for mv. So what is the syntax, how to write? cp is the command name, give one space, then source path with file name we can give. So we have suppose one file, A is directory, under that B is one directory, under that C is one directory, under that a.txt is a file. This is our source. Where to copy? We have one destination. The destination we have to mention. Suppose our destination is root A, not A, suppose T, under that G, under that J, under that Ravi. This is our destination. So in destination directory path we have to mention, and in source directory path with file, because file we are copying, so file we have to mention here. So these source details will be copied to this target details in this location target. Okay, so in source also it is present, just it will take a copy of this and it will keep here. If we will do move, same syntax only. If we will do move, then mv command we have to use here. So this a.txt file will be moved to here, under Robin it will come. So after moving, it will not present here. Here it will be not present if it is a move. But if it is a copy, then here also it will be present, and in new location also it will be present. You are shifting your home from Bangalore to Hyderabad. So after shifting, you are no more available in Bangalore. You will be available in Hyderabad. Okay, so shifting, that is called as move. You are moving, you are shifting. So in old location it will be not present. Copy means one replica is preparing and keeping somewhere. Okay, so you have one book. You handed over to one friend. So now you don't have that book. That is move. It is moved from you to another person. You are giving that person to make a copy. So he is doing Xerox and taking one copy. So you are also having, he is also having now. Both copy are there. So copy means one copy it will create. Here one existing file is there, one original file, one duplicate copy it will take here, keep here. And here it will remove. In old location it will no more present. In new location only it will be present. That is move. So syntax is same only, just we have to use this cp for copy, mv for move. Okay, now we can use here with some files, control L, ls. So a.txt, let's see. No content is there. Okay, we have one content, this one, test.sh. Let's use this file. So cp is the command name. Where this file is present, in current working directory it is present, so no need of path. If it is present in some other directory, we can give the path. Otherwise we can mention dot represent for current, under dot it is present, means under current directory it is present. So this is the source. If directly it is present under our current working directory, this is optional part. Don't mention that also, or if you will mention, you can mention under current directory test.sh, that is your choice. Okay, not mention. Now this file we want to copy into some other directory. So here these are few directory A, B, D, dir. Okay, we can take dir. So this is our destination directory. In this destination directory, that is also present under our current working directory. We are present somewhere. So in that present working directory, dir is present. So no need of all the whole path. If you will mention whole path also fine. If you will not mention also fine. So unnecessary why will make it lengthy. If under current path only it is present something, then don't give that path list or whole path. Or unnecessary it will make it lengthy. Now enter. If we go to this dir directory now, cd dir ls test.sh is copied. Previously nothing was there, now it is copied. Now we can, okay, we can do one thing. In this dir directory it is present test.sh. Again we can copy it into some other directory, cp test.sh. Okay, we want to copy that into d directory. Where that is present? Now we are present under dir directory. So if we'll go one step back from this dir directory, then that will be present d directory in that path. So to move one step back, double dot. Under that d directory is there. We want to copy here. Now ls, we have to go to d directory and we can do ls, or directly we can do ls from here also. If directly we are doing, then what to do? Path we have to mention d. So it will go to the previous directory, and under that d directory is there. Under that whatever the files and directories present, it will test.sh. Now it is copied. Or we can go in different way also. cd double dot, then cd d. Now we reach to d. Now we can give ls. Directly also we can give path with the directory name. Or you can move to that directory first using cd command, then you can give ls. That is also fine. So this test.sh is copied now in this path, d path. Okay, now I am going back. Now can you tell in D drive, sorry, not drive, in D directory test.sh is present. We want to copy that file into B directory. Can you tell what to write? Both are present in our current working directory, pwd. So we are present in this directory, ls. So D is present in current working directory, B is present in current working directory. That file is present under D, and we want to copy that into B. How to write?
Copy CP
Okay.
current file root current current location,
D,
sir.
D,
D. Okay.
and double dot. There's a space
No.
in.
Under D that file is present, test.sh. Under D means forward slash after that file name.
Okay.
This is the source. Now, which is your target destination?
B.
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 B. So B also present under our current working directory. Direct we can give B. And under this B directory only it will take. So under that it will be present in destination. Forward slash you can give, otherwise without giving also fine. Now enter. Now direct from here we can check ls double dot, it will go to previous directory. Okay, no, so under this directory only B is present, so ls B you can give. It is copied now. Okay, now can you tell we want to copy this file from B directory. Under Unix directory, another directory is there. I am going there, dir. Now I am present here. So this file is present under B directory. Up to Unix, you have to go. Under that Unix, B directory is there, and under that test.sh file is there. That file we want to copy under our home directory. What is our home directory? Whenever we are logging to our operating system, first of all it will prompt. That directory is called as home directory. So symbol wise, we can give which one? Tilde symbol. So instead of giving this path name, already we did that last class, cd, this tilde symbol, then direct it will go to the home directory. So no need to give this one. Here we know already home admin is our home directory. If you don't know, then what to give? This symbol only. So this symbol you can use. We want to copy the file which is present under B directory to our home directory. Now tell this cp what will be source, what will be destination. That only need to give.
B root. It is there in B right, sir.
Okay,
B
B.
root test dot
Not root,
sh.
forward slash. Not root, forward slash. That is.
Yeah, forward slash. Okay.
Root means this one, starting one. That is called as root.
Oh, got it. Okay.
B forward slash.
Test dot sh.
Okay. Then destination. Under home directory, we want to copy.
So directly we can give the
symbol.
tilde.
Yeah.
Okay, B under that test.sh. Okay, so what is the mistake? Can you identify here?
We are giving the same copy, same file, sir. We need to change the file name. I think.
No, file
Already
name is under B directory, file is present. It is showing. This is correct. But you have given B under the test, and we are present under dir. Under dir, B is present. Check. No.
Two dots back. We need to mention.
Okay. So where it is present, that path you can give. 2 dots. So it will go to next, means previous one. Before dir Unix is there. Under Unix B is there. So double dot, after that forward slash. Then B is coming. Then you can give test.sh. Okay, now we can check ls under our tilde home directory. Test.sh coming, copied now. If we want to remove, remove. Now it is not coming. Okay, so in this way, need to copy file from one location to other location. So how to give the location? Last class already we discussed. Any way you can follow. The complete path you can give starting from root, or start with double dot, or you can don't give anything direct that is present your current working directory, that don't give anything, or you can start with home directory tilde, anything. How to give a path you know already now. So source path correctly you have to give, target path correctly you have to. Their path only many people are doing mistake. Okay, so in starting time, maybe you can get some confusion. If you can sit for half an hour, 1 hour, and from this part to that path to this path, if you will change all those, explore something, then nothing is there. You will get very easy only. Just half an hour to 1 hour, you can sit and do practice. Okay. So now it is fine. CP command.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is MV command. Same only. Instead of CP, we can give MV. MV. So under B, test.sh is present. Under B. Now also it is present. Here you can see. Now we are moving that file. So we are present under dir directory. So this B directory is not present under dir. Where it is present? From our current, if we will go to previous, then Unix is there one directory. Under that Unix directory, B is there, /B. Under that B directory, test.sh is there. Now we are moving that into home directory, and under that home directory, this is our home. Desktop is another directory. Okay, so this is our source and this is our destination. Under home directory, desktop is one directory we want to see there. So source and destination completed. Now we are not copying, we are moving. MV we can. Copy is done. Same only, just need to give MV. Enter. No error message. Now it is moved. Now if you will see this B, nothing is there. This test.sh was there earlier under B. Under B. Now it is moved. So not present. So where it is present? In this desktop directory it is present. ls it came test.sh. So here through putty we connected. If we'll go to this Unix server here, this is the desktop. Just see test.sh copied or moved or not. Yes, it is present. See the contents. Open. These are the contents. We can delete here also. So these are little bit GUI in Linux, which was not available in Unix. So using our keyboard, delete. It is deleted. If deleted, it will go to trash. This is one facility added. Using command, if you will delete, then it will not go to trash. Using this Windows few GUI, it is added. If you are deleting from here, then it will go to this trash, like recycle bin. Again, we want restore, then it will come back here. Again, we will delete. Again, it will go here, trash. Again, if you are empty this trash, then it will not come back again. Permanently deleted. Now if you will see here in desktop, it is present or not. That is not present now. Okay, so in this way we can move. Now one question you can tell how to move. So this test.sh file is present in D directory, and that D directory is present under Unix directory. Okay, so under this Unix, D directory is present. Under that D, test.sh is present. Okay, so move that test.sh file from D directory to F directory. Can you tell what to write? One source, one destination correctly need to write. Correct means path only. Their path only you will get some confusion. Some practice is required for mention the path. So first source path. Correctly you can tell what will be the source path. MV
Sir, /d.
Forward slash means root. Only forward slash you are giving here, means root directory. Under
Yes.
root directory, D is present. Under root, D is not present. Under Unix, D is present. So if you are writing
Double dot
up to
can
this, you can write.
forward.
This is fine. Otherwise, instead of writing all these lengthy things, direct double dot you can give. Shortcut. So last class, maybe Ravi, you have not attended that CD topic. You can go through. That is very important one, CD topic. From one path to another path, where how you can move. Different approach are there. Okay, so double dot if you have given, then it will go to the previous directory. So previous directory is Unix. This one, Unix. So under that Unix, D directory is there. Under that, one file is there. That file name is test.sh. Now, what is our destination? F directory we have to move. So that is also present under our previous directory F. You can mention F.
Okay.
Now ls test.sh is coming. Now we want to remove that. rm path name you can give. Whatever it is present under that we want to remove. Now that is removed, not coming. So this is move from one path to other path. If you are doing, then that is remove. Yeah, move. Now we can rename. Suppose one file name we have given ABCD. We created ABCD. Now we can rename this. Same command, MV command only. MV command ABCD. And we can rename that to XYZ. LS. Now XYZ is coming. So whenever MV command we are using within the same path, both are in same path, dir directory. So if both are in same path, then it will behave as a rename. And whenever MV command we are using, both are in different path, then that will be used as move. Command is same, MV only. If path is same, it will be rename. If path is different, it will be move. Again, MV, XYZ is present now. We can change the name to Ravi. LS, Ravi is present now. If any content will be there in this file, then content will not change anything. Same content will remain. But the name of that file will be changed. So MV command is used for dual purpose. One is move and another is rename. So in most of the interview they are asking this because here many people are getting confusion. Same command but dual purpose it is using. In which case, if path is same, it will be rename, path is different, it will be move. That only remember. Okay, so recursive wise we want to copy or recursive wise we want to move, then minus capital R you can give. Means a whole directory. Suppose we are present here, dir, we can go back. Okay, so in this desktop, Unix is one directory. In that Unix directory, so many directories, subdirectories, files are available in recursive structure. Entire structure we want to copy. CP Unix. Entire structure you are going to copy. So minus R you can. Directories, subdirectories, files, whole family need to copy into some other location. So in that case, minus R. Specific some files, no need of minus R. Now where we can copy or where we can move, one location you can give. Suppose we can give one location tilde home directory. Now we can go to home directory. Where is that home directory? cd tilde. Now we are present under our home directory, home admin. ls Unix came? Yes. Now if we want to see this Unix structure, how it looks like, ls-r Unix directory. All these are present. Whatever in that Unix directory it was available, everything, directory, subdirectories, everything, all together it came here. Okay, now we don't want this structure. We can remove that. rm minus capital R or small r, anything you can give. For rm, capital R and small r both are fine. But for cp and md, capital R only, not small r. So rm, capital R, Unix directory. This is having one recursive structure. Entire structure we want to remove. File, directory, subdirectory, everything is present. rm minus capital R Unix. Now whole gone Unix directory. Okay. So this is about copy, remove, and rename. Any doubt in this? Akshay, clear? Manideep, Ravi, Punita?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So first few classes are very important actually. Your fundamental will be strong. It will do all these practice. Now today is 7th class. Another 3 class. So first 10 classes around. If you are very strong, then after that nothing is there. You will enjoy whole session. Everything will be easy only. Initially only you are weak, then everything will be weak only. So today we'll send one link. You can just download. Tomorrow we'll first install. Then you can start doing practice. Whatever not done till now. Very few classes only we did practical. First 2 classes theory only. Next 4 classes practical. So it will not take much time. 1 day or 2 day you will sit also 2 hours. You can complete everything. So if all these are handy, you are very smooth, comfortable, then you will not get any problem. Now maybe practical not started from anybody. That's why you are facing little bit. So just give 1 hour time per day, not more than that. 1 hour is more than enough.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 2 hour you are giving, then
Okay, sir.
2 hour you are not giving, 1 hour at least you can give. 1 hour plus 1 hour your practice. That is enough, more than enough. And if you do practice and another 3-4 classes we will do and you are very much comfortable, whole Unix you will enjoy and you will play anything in Unix. This is very easy work and we will go in very detail only, so you will not face any problem. Okay, now one small concept telling and then we can close for today. One piping concept. So by using that piping, we can start writing the script also. So now onwards, whatever commands we will do, parallelly we can do one small script also. Script is nothing but the combination of commands. That is called as piping, one concept. Okay, so ls minus l, what it will display, you know, in multiple lines it is displaying. Okay, so multiple lines it will display what? List of files and directories with 7 fields. First field is access mode, 7th field is link count, then owner, group, then last modification or creation, date and time, file name, all those it is displaying here. So suppose 100 files are there, then 100 lines it will display. Out of all those, we want to display only first 15 lines from this ls minus l out. So what to do? So in that case, we can pass this ls minus l is one command. Some output will come here, ls minus l. So we got some output here to here. This is the output of ls minus l. So this output we can use as a input in another command. So how many lines we want to display? wc minus l. What is the command? How to display how many lines? wc is the command, minus l if you will give, then how many lines it will display. So here we have to give one file name. So from that file it will display how many lines are there. Now instead of giving this file name, No need of giving the file name. Direct contents we can provide using pipe symbol. So ls minus l, you can think this is a file and this output that file content. These are the output or these are the input that file content. So instead of giving that file name wc minus l and that file name v or b or c or anything, don't give that file name. That input file, this is what? Input file only. Previously we have given one file tt.txt. So what is this? wc minus l tt.txt. So this tt.txt is a input file which contains some content with some lines. Now instead of giving that file name, indirectly we can pass that content like this. ls minus l, some output is there. These are the contents. So those contents we are taking as the input in this next command wc minus l. So whatever lines are present here in this output, that will be taken as input for this wc minus l. So what is the use of wc minus l? It will display how many lines are there. So here how many lines it is present, it will display. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that it will count, and how many lines are there it will display. That is called as piping mechanism. So this is one concept available in Unix. What is this? The first command output will behave as an input for the second command wc minus l. Total 59 lines are there. Okay, so this is one command, first command. This is another command, second command. So first command output will be used as an input for the second command. In that case, in middle we have to give one pipe symbol, so that this output will go as a input here. Here no need to give the file name now. If this part is not available, we are giving the file name. Now instead of giving the file name, we are just passing the input to this file. What it expects? wc minus l. It is expecting one file with some content. So that file and content we are providing like this. From left side command output we are providing. Okay, now ls minus l, 9 lines are present. We don't want to display all those 59 lines. We want to display only 15 lines. So this is the output, 59 lines of output. These are, out of all those, we need to display only 15 lines or 12 lines. Just give that. How to give? Minus symbol, head minus 12. 12 lines it is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 lines. Now, after coming these 12 lines, we want to know how many words are there in that. wc minus w, word count. So this is the output, 12 lines. So in these 12 lines, we want to know how many words are there. Again, we can extend this. From that output, we can calculate wc minus w. 101 words are there. How many characters are there? 558 characters are there. Both we want CW, we can 101 word and 558 characters. Line also we need. L you can give 12 lines. Anyway, 12 we have given this, 12 it will come. So this is the piping mechanism. Very simple, nothing is here. One command output will go as input in the next command line. Again, we can extend. So left to right it will go, not right to left or middle to middle. Always it will go from left, then next only. So left to right only it will go. Now all you four can tell one example using this piping. Till now so many commands we did. Any command you can take. pwd, uname, then char, then ls, head, tail, wc. So till now around 20 or 30 commands we covered already. So using all those commands, any command you can use. 2, 3 commands you can use with pipe symbol. And tell one example. Try one example.
ls minus 1.
Okay.
Pipe symbol.
Okay.
Tail.
Okay.
Minus 2. Last two lines I supposed to display. And pipe symbol, word count. That's it.
Okay.
Till word count is on.
So in ls minus 1, line by line it is displaying all the files, maybe 60 or 70 files are there. So for all those files which it is displaying, you are taking just last two. Okay, so last two only. Again, in that last two which names are there, you need the word count. So it is displaying word count. Okay, so WC only you have given means line count, word count, and character count. All it will come. Only word count you want, then minus W you can give. 2 words. This is one word. This is one word. Okay, this is one example. Now, Punita, Manidip, you can try one example. Any command you can use. Lot of commands
So
you can use.
ls-l
ls-l.
and the pipe,
Okay.
and then cal, and this much only.
So this command, if you will go as a input to cal command, what it will display then? What cal command is expecting?
It's like it is going to show the date, time, and also
Calendar it will display. So here we
yes,
are giving one input.
calendar.
So calendar, if you are using cal command and after that suppose one file name, then it will work? No. Cal
No,
command is expecting nothing, means current year. If you are giving some year, then that year it will take. So this is going wrong now then.
yes,
Cal command first you can use.
no,
Cal 1996 suppose. After that you can do one thing. Anything you will write, then it will correct, not like that. You have to understand the meaning also, that is appropriate or not. Okay,
yes.
now cal 996. This is giving one output. This output you can take as an input somewhere. Now you can take. Now you can use any other thing which will be appropriate.
So like uname, what's this?
Tell in any command which you know. Okay, WC you can give, or head you can give, or tell you can give. Fifteen lines it will display.
Okay.
Till last it will not display. Okay. Next, Manideep, can you tell one example?
Yeah, maybe we can try ls hyphen l
-l.
pipe symbol.
Okay.
From tail we will take 10 lines.
Okay. Last 10 lines.
Uh,
Okay.
for that we will see word count.
Okay. Again,
Either we
you
can see
want word count, then WC. Okay. So fine. So again, we'll continue with the different commands. So if you know those commands, then you can use here also. Now more commands you don't know. That's why not able to think and write. Lot of commands are there. Grep, then sort, awk, cot. Lot of commands are there. So if you will be familiar with all those commands, you will know. Then again, lot of questions you will able to do. Now very specific commands, you know, initially only we completed few basic commands. That's why you are also getting program. So this is the concept. Later on, each and every topic we are discussing, one, two scripts also will do parallel. Using those commands, you can tell. Like sort is not there. Now we want to sort those in ascending order. How to do? After that, you have to write sort command. It will do in ascending order. It will do in descending order. Minus R you can give. So commands are most required. Commands you don't know, then you cannot write this script. Now it is a script, shell script. In command line only we are writing, not in any file. In command line, if you are writing multiple commands using pipe symbol and we are getting some input, that is called as a shell script. So here this is one command, this is another command, this is another command. Three commands we are combinedly writing. Using those three commands only combinedly it will work out and final output it is displayed. So this is a shell script now. So shell script is nothing. Shell script is nothing but the combination of commands only. Don't think it in different way. Many people are thinking shell script is different course, Unix is different course, program is different course, or different topics. Not like that. All are combined together. So multiple commands with pipe symbol we are combining and writing in command line. That is called as a shell script. Individually we are executing some commands with the parameters. That is called as commands. So single command or multiple commands with pipe symbol or without pipe symbol. If you are putting that into a file and we are executing, that is called as a shell program. And why shell script shell program is there means we have one layer is there already in that architecture we discussed. In that layer, shell is one layer. So this shell layer only having 95, 97 commands, percent of commands. So whole commands, if you are taking it as a 100%, then shell layer only it handles out of all those 97% around commands, or almost 99 also. Very few commands are there which are external command handled by kernel. Okay, so most of the commands are handled by shell layer. That's why we are telling as a shell script, shell program only, shell command, shell script, shell program. Why? This is the reason. Most of the commands are 97, 99% commands are internal commands handled by shell layer. That's why we are telling shell command, shell script, shell program. Okay, which is majority, that only everybody tells. In India, BJP government is majority ruling the country. So BJP government we are telling. We are not telling Congress government. But few seats are there. Congress government and other party also available. They are also ruling in some states and some districts. They are available as MP, MLA, all those things. But we are telling what? BJP. Because majority is there. Here also majority is there. Cell layer related commands. So everybody is telling, and in books article also it is mentioned cell script, cell program, cell commands.